Say these words with your English voice. Pluck. To pull something, especially with a sudden movement, in order to remove it. For example, women often use tweezers to pluck unwanted hair from the body. For example, to keep the eyebrow in shape. Groom. To make yourself ready to be seen or to put in order. We often groom our pets by brushing their hair, washing them, and getting their hair cut. We groom ourselves by washing our body and hair, getting our hair cut, brushing, trimming our beards to make ourselves ready to be seen. Toiletries. Objects and substances that you use in washing yourself and preventing the body from smelling unpleasant. Some examples include shampoo for your hair, face wash for your face, toothpaste for your teeth, and soap for your body. Condition. To try to improve the quality or appearance of your hair, skin, etc. by putting a conditioner on it. Here is an example of a conditioner for your hair. Moisturize. To put a special substance on your skin to stop it from becoming dry. Here is an example of a moisturizer for men to keep their skin moisturized. Floss. To clean between your teeth using a special thin string. Shower. The act of washing under a flow of water. Trim. To make something tidier or more level by cutting a small amount of it. Men often have to trim their beards. Spray. To spread liquid in small drops over an area. Here is an example of a body spray.